What is? What is network marketing? It's the business of the 21st century. It's the network, also known as the vehicle that makes it possible for you to retire now or in the future. The marketing system that you are currently participating in will not allow you to retire now or ever. The system that you are in and the one that I was once a part of teaches you to believe in, go to school, get the best grades, go to college, and then a job will be there offering you security, comfort, stability, and easy retirement in the sunset. Now that's good advertisement, but so is a politician promising not to raise taxes. The politician never told you that taxes would be lowered either. My point is, the system that you are in doesn't tell you the whole truth. It only tells you what's best for it. It only tells you what is needed so that you believe in it long enough to get the best out of you. The politician wants your vote. The system wants you to accept the 40-40-40 plan. 40 years of your life working, 40-hour work weeks, and at retirement, the system wants you to retire with and live off of 40% of what you made during your hard-working years. If you couldn't live off of 100% of what you were making when you were working, how can you live off of 40% when you retire? This is no myth. I give you my word. This is the truth. Ask yourself, how many politicians keep their word? How much does the system keep its word? How much does the system do for you to keep you from worrying? Did you know that the number of people living below poverty level is rising? Did you know that the number of people who are working beyond the age of 65 is increasing? Some of these people are in my family. How about yours? In the system, what's in your wallet dictates what's in your future. What is network marketing? What is blog marketing? What is MLM marketing? What is affiliate marketing? It's the business of the 21st century that keeps you from having the business done to you. It's the business that tells you the whole truth. It's the marketing system that pays you what you're worth. It's the network vehicle that takes care of your family when you are gone. Does the system do that? Did you know that 72% of all adult Americans would rather work for themselves than for a job? And that 67% think about quitting their jobs regularly, constantly, and that some chooses not to even think? Job security with benefits since 2008 is about as easy to find as it is finding work for a manual typewriter. Network marketing has been around since the Son of God and his 12 disciples. Now let me ask you, how stable is that? What is the system of the future? The system that won't do the business to you. What is network marketing?